Welcome to next video in the C tutorials. From this video onwards, we are going to see this iterative statements. Also, you can call this as loop statements. At very first, we are going to see while statement or while loop. Now, these iterative statements or loop statements are used like we want to make a task of same thing multiple times. So, at that time, that this at that time this iterative or loop statements are going to use whatever it may be while or do while for loop etc. All those loops are used to make a task of similar thing for multiple times. So you will get more clear idea when you see the program. Like at very first I want to clear the this iterative statement while loop in more detail. Like then if I run the program, you can check out the output. So it is giving or it is printing hello for 5 times. Suppose if I need to print this hello for 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, so on for 100 times, then this copy pasting thing is a worst thing. So there is a inbuilt thing in the compiler, that is a iterative statements or looping statements. So now I am going to use this while. So what we have discussed that, so this is a used to print or this is used to make the same task of multiple times. So now at output side we have printed the allow in 5 times. So it is of same task but printing in 5 times. So if we use this while loop also, the task is going to happen. I will show here. Like, so first of all you need to clear the syntax of this while loop. So I will show you the syntax. First write the while, then you need to use this type of brackets. In this blinking place you need to give the condition, like I will show you later. So after this you need to use curly braces. See, in between this you need to write the task of while loop. So inside a loop, inside the while loop, you need to use any decrement or increment operation. Now for that, for to print hello for 5 times, I am taking like one variable of integer data type like I am giving the I value like 1. See carefully here. I am declaring a condition like I less than or equals to 5. Then inside this I am copy pasting the printf this statement. See, I want to print this statement for 5 times. Then later here I am removing this thing and I am performing increment operation of the I variable like I plus plus. So every time I going to increase by 1 of its value. So if I run the program, you can check out here the allow is printing 5 times. So if you want more detail, I will show you here. Like I am printing the value of I. Every time I want to print the value of I am giving like this. You can see here every time I am printing the value of I. See, check out this. This is the value of I, or you can give like this also. I equals to, you can see here the every time I am printing the value of I up to 5, the condition is satisfied, then it is performing the inside this curly braces operation. The condition is not satisfying, it is exiting from the while loop. So I think you have get an idea. So let us clear the thing with another example. Like I am taking, now see here, I have taken a question like create a program to print up to 100 numbers. So for this question purpose, I am taking like two variables, or I am taking one variable like same thing int I variable. I am declaring int value as 1. I am taking while loop. So while in this you need to give condition inside this open and close braces. You need to give the statement related while loop. So inside this you need to give increment or decrement decrement operator. So this is the syntax of while loop. I think you have cleared this. Here I am giving what did he asked? He asked to print 100 numbers. So for that purpose I am giving when I less than or equals to 100. See, this is the condition I am using in this while loop. Here at this increment or decrement place, here I am incrementing the I variable by 1. Then here I am printing that 100 numbers like percentage. Where is percentage d. So I want to give some gap between each number. So I'm assigning the value of I to that percentage d. See, you can check out the output here. So you can check out here, when I given like this, it is printing up to 100 numbers. So for better visualization at output, I am giving like this. You can see here. So 1 2 3 4 10 11 to 20. See that it is printing in reasonable manner. Or so this is how the all about the while loop. In next video we are going to see do while loop. So thank you for the watching. For more videos, subscribe my channel. If you really like the video, don't forget to like. If any suggestions, you can put your suggestion in the comment box.